Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Schlage Zwave hub to SmartThings easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Schlage Zwave hub to SmartThings, begin by ensuring that both devices are powered on and within range of each other. Next, open the SmartThings app on your mobile device. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your SmartThings account. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. In the list of device types, select Zwave. You will now be prompted to start the pairing process. Ensure your Schlage hub is in pairing mode. This usually involves pressing a specific button on the hub. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. After a few moments, the SmartThings app should detect your Schlage Zwave hub. Once detected, select the hub from the list of available devices. You may be prompted to name your hub for easier identification. Complete the setup by following any additional instructions provided by the app. Finally, test the connection by attempting to control the hub through SmartThings. Confirm that the status of the hub is displayed correctly in the app. If everything is functioning as expected, you have successfully connected your Schlage Zwave hub to SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.